Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this video will deliver a lecture on the topic discount. Okay, our chapter 3. Okay, so let's start. Okay, simple discount. The calculation of present or discounted value over duration of less than 1 year is sometimes based on a simple discount rate. Okay, so we have simple discount rate. Annual simple discount rate D, okay, the small d, small letter d, is the ratio of the discount D for the year to the amount S on which the discount is given. The simple discount D on an amount S for T years at the discount rate D is calculated by, okay, this is the formula. Okay, discount is S times the rate of discount times T. Okay. The discounted value P of S or the proceeds P is given by P is equal to S minus D is equal to S times 1 minus DT. Okay. So you have to differentiate the small, okay, the small d and the big D. Okay, okay, the small letter D is the rate of the discount and D is the discount. Okay, simple discount is not very common. Some financial institutions offer what are referred to as discounted loans, where the interest charge is based on the final amount S rather than on the present value. The lender calculates the interest D and deducts this amount from S. The difference P is the amount of borrower actually received even though the actual loan amount is considered to be S. Okay, the borrower pays back S on the due date. Okay, the interest charge on discounted loan is sometimes referred to as interest in advance, as the interest is paid upfront at the time of the loan instead of on the final due date. Okay, so we can say that the discounted loans also can be referred as interest in advance because we need to pay the interest upfront. Okay, we can also accumulate a sum of money using simple discount by S is equal to P times 1 minus dt to the power of negative 1. Okay, the above formula can be used to calculate the maturity value of a loan for a specified proceed. In general, we can calculate equivalent rates of interest or discount if the two rates have the same effect on money over the same period of time. Okay. Asalnya kat sini kita boleh juga cari equivalent rates interest or discount, okay, over the same period of time. Okay. So, let's look on the example 1. A person takes out a discounted loan with a face value of 500 ringgit for 6 months from a lender who charges a 9.5% discount rate. Okay, so the first question asks you, what is the discount and how much money does the borrower receive? So, this one, you need to find the D Okay. And B, what size loan should the borrower ask for if he wants to receive 500 cash? Okay. So, for the first question, we have the first question A, we have S is equal to 500. We have D 9.5% and T is 6 months. Okay, so 1/2 year. So we need to find D. D is equal to SGD. So we have, okay, nak jimat space. So 500, 0.095 times 1/2 years. So we have RM so ini adalah discount. Okay, the discount that the borrower get. So dia sebenarnya nak loan yang 500 tapi sebabkan dikenakan discount, okay, discount sebanyak 9.5%, okay, jadi dia tak akan dapat 500 genap. Okay, daripada itu, okay, daripada 500 tu kita perlu tolakkan dengan dia punya jumlah discount tadi. So S minus D. So 500 minus equal to RM 476.25. Okay, ini adalah jumlah yang diterima. Okay, so macam kalau awak baca balik nota yang di atas tadi, dia ada beritahu discount juga boleh dikira sebagai interest in advance. Okay, tak kena bayar banyak pada penghujung selepas pinjaman dibuat, tetapi pinjaman yang diterima tu yang berkurang. Okay. Okay, so, jadinya soalan yang seterusnya pula, dia kata loan yang perlu dibuat sekiranya tak nak dapat kurang daripada 500, dia nak dapat 500 juga. So, it means that P kita yang 500. So, D kita seperti tadi 9.5%. T kita tadi half year. So, untuk dapatkan P, so S is equal to P over 1 minus DT. So, masukkan. So, akhir sekali dapat jawapan RM 5249. Okay, so 524 ringgit and 93 sen. Okay, so next example, let's see. Calculate the discounted value of 1,000 ringgit due in 1 year at a simple interest rate of 7%. B at a simple discount rate of 7%. So, kita tengok. Okay, kalau A, simple interest rate. R kita 7%. So, we want to find P is equal to S over 1 plus RT. So, we get 1,000. Okay, this is our S. And then 1 plus 0.07 times 1. So, Jawapan kita untuk soalan A, kita akan dapat RM934.58. Okay. For B, at a simple discount rate, we get, okay, we use the formula P is equal to S1 minus GT. So we get the formula, okay, substitute 1 minus 0.071. So the final answer is RM 930. Okay. So next part is, for example 3, if 1,200 ringgit is the present value of 1,260 ringgit due at the end of 9 months, determine the annual simple interest rate, and the question B is the annual simple discount rate. So for this question, A, we have P is equal to 100. We have T is 9/12. We want to find the annual simple rate. So R is equal to I over PT. We have 60 over 1,200 times 9/12. So we have 6.67%. For B, we want to find D. Okay, so D we have as 1260. D 60. T is 9/12. So for D is equal to D of ST. So we have 60 over 1260 times 9/12. So the final answer is 6.35%. Okay, so you can check your answer if you have already tried, and if you not try this question, you can jot down, okay, jot down the calculations, okay, to make sure that you understand well, okay, and you know how to differentiate between discount rate and interest rate. Okay, next is, what simple rate of discount D is equivalent to a simple of interest rate R is equal to 6% if money is invested for 1 year and B is for 2 years. Okay. So for this kind of question, we compare, okay, compare the discounted value of RM 1 ringgit. So we have 1 minus D1, okay, this is for A, is equal to 1 plus 0.061. This is to the power of -1. So 1 minus D is equal to 1.06 to the power of negative 1. So we have D is equal to 5.66%. Okay, for B, in the case of, okay, we still use the value of 1 ringgit. Okay, the discounted value. So we have 1 minus G2. This is for 2 years. So 1 minus G times 2. 1 plus 0.06 times 2 to the power of negative 1. So we have 1 minus 2D is equal to 1.1 2 to the power of negative 1, and the final answer is D is equal to 5.36%. Okay, so this is the differences between when you do interest rate and discount rate. Okay, next we have promissory notes. Okay, in your RPP, you can see this is topic 3.2. We have promissory notes. So promissory notes is a written promise by a debtor. Okay, debtor is also known as a maker of the note to pay to the creditor. Okay, payee of the note a sum of money with or without interest on a specified date. Okay, maksudnya kat sini macam ada perjanjian. Okay, promissory note ni perjanjian. Contoh, si A bagi pinjam duit kepada B. Okay, so B ni buat promissory notes. Okay, jumlah duit yang dipinjam, bila nak bayar, and then berapa interest yang dia akan bayar. Okay, so, itu adalah contoh promissory notes. Okay, kalau awak tengok dekat sini, dekat nota ni, ada ditulis, okay, contoh RM2,000. Okay, tempatnya Batu Pahat, 1st of September to 2016. Okay, 60 days after the date, I promise to pay to the order of Mr. A, Mr. A ringgit Malaysia 2,000 for value received with interest at 8% per annum. Okay, maksudnya kat sini, dia pinjam 2,000 dan dia akan bayar berserta dengan interest sebanyak 8% per annum. Okay, itu adalah janji Mr. B. Okay, the face value of the note is 2,000 ringgit. So, the face value. Okay, mungkin ini adalah terms baru yang awak come across bila jumpa tajuk promissory note. So, the face value is 2,000 ringgit. The term of the note is 60 days. So, perjanjian itu selama 60 hari daripada 1st September. Okay, 1st September, that is the 31st October 2016. Okay, so 60 hari akan berakhir pada 31 Oktober. Okay, a promissory note is similar to a short-term bank loan, but it differs in two important ways. Okay, the lender does not have to be a financial institution. Okay, a promissory note may be sold one or several times before its maturity. To determine the price a buyer will pay for a note, he or she will take the amount to be received in the future, okay, and discount it to the date of the sale at a rate of interest or discount. and the buyer wishes to earn or his or her investment, the resulting value is called the proceeds and is paid to the seller. Okay, maksudnya kat sini, tadi yang berurusan adalah A dan B. B keluarkan note dan bagi kepada A. So sekarang A dah pegang note tu. Okay. Sebelum sampainya tarikh 31 Oktober tu, A boleh jual kepada C. Okay. Dan A juga boleh mengenakan interest ataupun diskaun, okay, sama ada interest ataupun diskaun kepada kepada pembeli yang baru. Okay. Tengok berapa yang dia nak kenakan tu depends berapa yang dia nak untung daripada apa yang dia telah keluarkan. Okay. And then proses the resulting value yang dia dapat tu dipanggil sebagai proceeds. Okay. So maksudnya C akan bayar. So jumlah yang C bayar tu itu kita panggil sebagai proceeds. Okay. So next. Kita tengok. The procedure for discounting the promissory notes can be summarized in 2 steps. The first one is calculate the maturity value of the note. Okay. So selalunya kena tahu dulu maturity value dia berapa sebelum dia jual pada orang yang pihak yang seterusnya. Okay, calculate the proceeds by discounting the maturity value as at a specified simple interest rate or simple discount rate from the maturity date back to the date of sale. Okay. So let's see the example. We have on 10th August, Mr. S borrow 4,000 ringgit from Mr. J. Okay. And gives Mr. J a promissory note at a simple interest rate of 10% with maturity date of 4th February in the following year. Mr. B buys the note from Mr. J on the 3rd November based on simple discount rate of 11%. Okay, determine Mr. B's purchase price.